Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing some of my holiday season bronzer recommendations. These are just bronzer products that I've been loving and that I feel like now during the colder months and during the holidays, I feel like fit into a lot of different people, including mine's skincare makeup routines. So this is gonna be a fun one. Before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Join the fam. Don't miss out on 3 videos a week, so please make sure to subscribe. But if you wanna see my holiday season bronzer recommendations, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, if you've been with me, you know the drill. We're just gonna be naming off some products and I'll be telling you why they are recommendations for me. I'm not going in any particular order. I am just picking up a product and telling you why I love it and why I think it's good for this specific video or occasion. So I have 5 different products here. I've got a couple powders. I have a few liquid/creams, so a little bit of a variety. I feel like there's something for everybody in here, and these are products that I truly genuinely grab for all the time, and especially now that it's gotten a little bit colder outside, these are the ones that I find myself gravitating towards a lot. So first product is the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Divine Bronzer. This is in Bronze Nirvana. I just love this product. I love the warmth that it brings to your face. Like, it's not too cool toned, but it's not orangey. I love the amount of pigment that you get from this product when you're applying. Like, it just looks so natural. Let me show you guys a little swatch so you can see. I feel like the swatch is not even doing it the justice that it deserves, because every time I put this on my face, I'm like, oh, it's so pretty. I love that it's not fully matte. Like, it doesn't have like a sparkle in it, but there's this soft glow slash matte kind of finish. It's like this perfect in between that just looks so pretty every time I put it on. And I feel like it lasts all day long. Like, this is just such a good one for the colder months. It'll last a long time. It's not too glowy, it's not too matte. Like, it's the perfect in between, and it just looks so good every single time. I love this one so much. And I love the packaging of this too. It's just so sleek, so easy to travel with. Like, I love everything about it. I'll also be linking all of these in the description box just in case I'm forgetting any details. So check these out in there. But next product I have is one of my favorites. It's the Dior Forever Nude Bronze in the shade 30 Tan Matte. I'm sure you can hear my cat meowing in the back. I feel like my animals love to go crazy when I'm filming, so this is just a thing that's been happening. And lately my cat is obsessed with, for some reason, stealing my husband's shorts and dragging them around the whole like hallway out here, our room, everything, by like the string of the shorts. It's the funniest thing ever. I'll try to get it on video for you guys next time. So cute. But back to this. I love this one. I would say this one is a little bit more on the matte side, not fully matte. Like, it doesn't look drying on your face whatsoever. It's just very natural looking on the face. I don't know how to describe it. It's definitely darker than the Pat McGrath, and it's a little bit more on the cooler side than Pat McGrath. It's not cool toned by any means, but it is cooler than Pat McGrath. I just think this one looks so pretty. It's like the perfect in between of like a contour and a bronze. So it's that perfect bronze look for a special occasion. Like, if you want something that's gonna absolutely snatch your cheekbones, your nose, your forehead, your jawline, this is it. I always find myself grabbing for this. The only downside to this one is the smell. It does have kind of a stronger, like, florally smell, which I could definitely do without, especially now that I'm pregnant and things don't sit right the same way that they did before. So I could do without the smell, but the product itself, like the quality, in my opinion, makes it worth it. Like, I will just deal with it. And I love how much product you get. Like this one is on the pricier side, but you get so much product that in my opinion, it's so worth it. And this packaging, insane. Like you could gift this to someone. It would be a very, very nice gift, but it's so pretty to look at. So just another idea there. Next up is the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum. This is in the shade medium. I'm wearing this one right now. This is my go-to when I don't want something super like in your face, super intense. Like when I want something that's a little bit more on the soft, natural side. This is what I find myself grabbing for. Like this is my daytime, everyday kind of bronzing product when I am doing a liquid. Here is what it looks like swatched. It's just so, so pretty. It blends so seamlessly. It's not crazy pigmented. Like it's a serum, so it's on the thinner side, but it blends into the most beautiful, subtle bronze, but it still gives you that like chiseled look. So I feel like it's the perfect in the middle of everything. And you could pair this, like set your face, do a powder bronzer on top, and it's so beautiful every time. So I highly, highly recommend this one, especially if you're not someone that likes one of the more out there in your face intense bronzers. This is such a good one year round, but I love products like this for the colder months. Next is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. I really, really love this one for when I want to do a full glam. I just feel like this one has the depth, it has like the contour side of it, so it's not super warm. It just looks so, so good every time. Like wherever you place it, it'll stay there. Wherever you want to blend it, it'll blend there. But it looks so airbrushed and perfected. It doesn't look like patchy bronzer everywhere. It just looks so, so pretty. It's very pigmented. A little goes a long way. I learned that the hard way in the beginning. So don't apply too much right off the bat. Start with a little bit and then build it up if you're a little bit uncomfortable. I feel like I'm to the point now where I've used it so much that I've kind of mastered how much I put on and what I know will look good, but definitely start out subtle and then build your way up. This is just such a good one, especially in the winter months, especially around the holidays when you are going to different kinds of occasions. If you want a good full glam, this will give you that chiseled out, snatched look. So highly recommend. I have the shade Fair Medium, and it's still pretty dark and still pretty intense, so keep that in mind too. And then last but not least, one of my favorites, the Too Faced Melting Bronzing and Sculpting Stick in Chocolate Caramel. This one I absolutely adore year round. Like this is not just strictly a holiday product, but around the holidays, again, for more of that like intense, well, you could honestly blend this down to a subtle look, but if you want something that's gonna give you the perfect dark, bronzed, sculpted cheekbones, jawline, nose, forehead, all of it, this is such a good one. It's definitely the creamiest and most pigmented of all 5 of these picks, but it's so good. Like you don't need a lot of product at all to get the perfect result. A little goes such a long way. Like this has lasted me such a long time. And every time I apply it, it's like foolproof. Like I just blend, and it turns out flawless, stunning, perfect, all of it. It smells like heaven. Like it literally smells like chocolate. So I'm obsessed with that, of course. And you just get the perfect bronze every single time. So highly, highly recommend, especially if you want something that will give you that more intense bronze. That's it. But that is it, you guys. That's all 5 of my bronzer picks for the holiday season. Just products that I feel like are really, really good in the colder months, that will last all day long, that won't budge on you, that won't look cakey or patchy or not cute. Like all of these will look really, really good and flawless. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, let me know what you think about my choices. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.